Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. Myself Chetan Saini and I am a second year CSE undergrad student at NIT-A. Today we are here to solve a problem from recent contest that is Codeforces round 840 and rated for Division 2. So the problem is another array problem and that is third problem of the contest. So let's see what problem is saying and then we will see how to approach this problem. So the problem statement goes as we are given an array A of n integers. We are allowed to perform the following operation on it as many times as we want. And the operation is choose two indices I and j, where I should be strictly less than j and I and j should be between 1 to n. And replace ak for all I from I to j with absolute value of ai minus aj. So means what operation is doing, like we will have an array like this. Just think that there is an element which value is x and there is y. If we apply a operation from this to this, I is its index and j is its index, then what we will do this operation? Uh, Replace it with x minus y, absolute value of x minus y. Replace it with also same. Replace it with also same means all elements from x to y will be replaced from absolute value of x minus y. This is the operation. Now our task is to print the maximum sum of all elements of the final array that we can obtain in such a way. That means we can obtain multiple arrays from this operation. We want to choose that final array which is giving to us maximum sum. Okay, let's have an example. Like if an array is given like this: 5, 10, 20, 3, 100 and 7. One operation I can do like this: if I select I equal to 2 and j equals to this 5, I'm talking one best index. Then if you do operation here, then what will be array? 5, 100 minus 10, that is 90. Then all elements from 2 to 5 will be replaced with 90. And this will be 7. Now, this is not necessary that this will be our possible answer. Some of this itself, this array element will be possible sum. Like what is sum of here? That is 360 plus 12, that is 372. So there can be another array also found by this, which is giving to us a answer more than 372. I am just showing that how will we apply operation. Now just tell me that, wait for 1 minute. If I replace all elements with 100, forgot for once that how we will do this. Just imagine that if I replace all elements with 100, then what will be the sum? Obviously that will be 600. And is there any possibility in which we can make any another array which is giving us the maximum sum more than 600? Just think that is it possible that we can make an array like with with sum is more than 600? If you think that we cannot make any array, why? Because in every operation what we are doing, we are taking difference of two elements. That means we are reducing the element. Then we cannot increase the element. We cannot like that we do 101, 101 for all element. We cannot increment the element. But how we are obtaining this? The point is that yeah, this can be the final array which is giving maximum sum to us. There cannot be another array which is giving some more than 600. That is point. Now let's see that how this array is obtained. For this, let me wipe it for once. Now we want to make all elements 100. For that, what we will do? Select any two elements from either left or either right. But the point is, the maximum elements should not be there. But here that is, so we will not select right part, we will select left part. Now what we will do? Select 5 and 10, replace, apply operation on I equal to 1 to j equal to 2. What will be the changes? That will be, this will be converted into 5 and this will be converted into 5. Why? Because absolute value of 5 minus 10, that is 5. Now again apply operation. What what will be change? 5 minus 5, that is 0, and 5 minus 5, that is 0. We have got 0, and that is key of this problem. If I apply a operation from this, means I equal to 1 and j equal to 5, then what will be the changes? That will make 0, 0 minus 100, absolute difference is 100. So all elements from I equal to 1 to I equal to 5 will be changed with 100, and last element is still 7, and these elements are 100. Now we want to change this also in 100, then what we will do? Apply the same operation on these two elements. First that will be converted into 93, and then we apply again the operation on these two, then 93 minus 93, that is 0. So we got again 0 here. Then apply operation from this to this. Absolute value is obviously 100. Then all elements from this to last index will be converted into 100. And that's the answer for this problem. Means what will be the answer? Length of the array multiplied with maximum elements. But is it possible every time that we can convert the array into this type of format? Let's understand it. If the size of array is 4, and just suppose that the maximum element is here, then we can do that apply operation on first in on these two elements, that will be converted into 0 0. Then apply operation from this to this will convert into maximum and maximum. Then apply for these two, and that will be converted into 0 0. Then apply for these two, and that will convert into maximum, 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 and maximum. So if n is equals to more than or equal to 4, then we can easily convert it into this type of format. But what if n is equal to or less than 3? Just think for 2, 10, 5. Here I cannot make that. Why? Because if I select either any two from left or right, then 10 will be also converted into that, means here it first will be converted into 5, and then we again do operation that it will be converted into 0. So here we cannot make it like every time this will be 3 into maximum element. But can I convert it into like 3 into first element array of 0, or 3 into array of last element, that is 2? How? If we converted into this into 0 0, then if I select 2 and 0, then this will be converted into 2 minus 0, that is 2, that is 2, and that is 2. And same for 5. First we will do operation for these two, that will be converted into 0 0 after applying second operation, and then we will select 0 and 5, that will convert into 5, 5, and 5. So yeah, we can do operation like this, and we can obtain these two, 3 into array of 0 and 3 into array of first element, that is 2. And what can be another changes also? Point is that we cannot make all three elements equal to or middle element. that is 10R. So for n is equals to 3, these two can be possibility. Other than these, this is also possible that we replace all element 10 minus 2. This also 10 minus 2, and this will be 5. This can be answer either than this 2, 10 minus 5 and 10 minus 5. This, if we convert this, that means we can convert it into 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 and 10 minus 2. How? If we select these two in this array and converted it into 0 0, after applying second operation, then we select 10 minus 2 and 0, and we can change it into this format. So one format this, one format this, third format is this, and a fourth format can be like this. We can convert all these three elements into 10 minus 5. So yeah, that is our fourth format. So we have total 6 answer. First is 3 into array of 0, second is 3 into array of 2, and third one is, what is this? If I mark first element as x, second element as y, and third element as z, then this is like z plus 2 multiplied with y minus x, and this is like x plus 2 multiplied with y minus z. Then this is 3 multiplied with y minus x, and last one is 3 multiplied with y minus z. So here these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 condition are here for n equals to 3. What for n equal to 2? There it will be like x and y. So one answer can be like x plus y. Another answer can be we replace absolute value of y minus x, all these two elements. So one answer can be 2 multiplied with absolute value of y minus x. Sorry. And if n is equal to 1, then that will be only one element. So what is the conclusion? If n is equal to more than or equal to 4, then answer will be n multiplied with maximum element. If n is equal to 3, then the answer can be any these 6 conditions. That's are 3 into array of 0, 3 into x, 3 into z, z plus 2 into y minus x, x plus 2 into y minus z, 3 into y minus x, and 3 into y minus z. And these are 6 conditions. By the way, another condition also is that if you don't change the array, that means x plus y plus z. And in second array, if n is equal to 2, then that can be either x plus y, either absolute value of 2y minus x. So yeah, let's see the code part of this problem. Firstly, we are taking the input and finding the value of maximum element, and this is sum is equal to 0, that is making the sum of all elements means these all condition like this x plus y plus z, like there is x plus y, this will be this will be in the sum part. So then if n is equals to more than 3, then we will replace that with some that can be n multiplied with mx, and if n is equals to 3, then these 6 conditions are here. That 7th condition is already here. I'm taking already sum equals to x plus y plus z. Then if n is equals to 2, then that is the absolute value of array of 0 minus array of 1, and we simply print sum. So yeah, that's all about this problem. We will see in the next problem. Till then, happy coding.